What if your doctor had a second brain that never forgets, never gets tired, and can read millions of medical cases in seconds? That second brain already exists. It's called artificial intelligence. Today's doctors are overloaded. Thousands of reports, scans, and research papers every single day. Even the best human brain has limits, not because doctors are weak, but because medicine has become too complex. AI doesn't replace doctors, it supports them. Think of it as a second brain working beside the doctor's real brain. AI can scan X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans in seconds, spotting tiny patterns humans might miss. It compares your case with millions of past cases to suggest the most accurate possible diagnoses. This means earlier detection of cancer and better prediction of heart attacks. It leads to safer drug prescriptions and faster, more accurate decisions for everyone. The doctor still decides. But now, the doctor decides with superpowered intelligence. The future is not man versus machine. The future is man with machine. The doctor brings experience and judgment. AI brings speed and pattern recognition. Together, they are better. One day, your doctor won't work alone. A silent, powerful second brain will be working in the background just for you. This is the future of medicine. If you want to understand how AI is changing your life, please subscribe and stay with me.